Hi, this is Em, and I wanted to share with you what the contents is for the Eco printed paper pack listing that I have on Etsy. The papers come in this brown craft file folder. I've left it plain so that you can either use it to hold your papers and for storage, or you can use it as a backing paper for tags or other things that you might want to make, because it's I like the color and I like the texture, and it is a cardstock weight. So you can decide how you want to use it. Now we'll look at the contents, and I'm going to start at the back first. There are 5 9x12s, which also make a good size for if you want to do journal pages. And as you can see, a lot of times the back is really nice looking too, so you can decide, do you want a more subtle look that the back affords, or do you want something a little bit more pronounced that is oftentimes the front. This is fern. There's pansy. This is snapdragon. And it looks like there might be some verbena on here. This is dahlia, and this looks like calendula. And some more dahlia. I won't hold every single paper up close, but some of these, it's just, you really need to look at them close to appreciate the detail and the washes and that these impart. This is lupin leaf. And some other leaves. This has cosmos. There's a lot of cosmos on here. This looks like it's going to be more dahlia. Now we move into 2 8x10s. I like to use 8x10s for framed pictures. That's a popular size. That's rose. More dahlia. And this is a 6 3/4 by 9. This is dahlia leaf. And then a 6 by 9. That's lupin, and it's a coral bell leaf. Then we've got 6 5x7s, and let me bring this up to the camera a little bit more. This is iris. Iris lays down this really beautiful bluish color. More iris. This is the purplish blue color is daylily. This is from dahlia that turns orange, and then there's some dahlia leaf over there on the right. More dahlia. And more dahlia. I did a lot of dahlia this year because I just really thought that they were very exciting in the things that they do, and I have a lot of different kinds of dahlia. And so you'll see that that they look a lot different. There is, looks like 3 of this size. I think this is 4 by 6. This is a background of begonia, and it looks like possibly some dahlia petals. And some leaf. I believe that's from another larger, I'm not sure which leaf that is. And then here are, this I believe is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. There's 2 of them. More of that daisy and calendula. This is rose, fern. This is a 9 by 3 And I got out of order. I think that this might be another 4x6. And then there's a sleeve that's got some of the smaller pieces that I put in there. You can use the sleeve for cutting down for other projects, or you can just leave it and put some of your scraps and smaller things in there. This is a 3x6. Then there's two 2x6, which I like to use this size for bookmarks and that kind of thing. And then there's a couple of 3x4s. There's three 3x4s. And then there's two ATC size cards. It's rose. And then, like I said, all the colors here are natural unless I pointed out otherwise. I do believe that this tag did have a little spray on it. And then same with the heart. I do believe that there's a little spray on the heart. And then just a regular tag. This is marigold florets. So that's what you get in this particular Eco-Dyed paper pack. Well, thank you for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day.